Good evening, Fossil Bill here. Just wanted to show off what I tried today. I didn't quite get all the scratches out of it. Some scratches apparently were left in after the 220 stage that I did not get out. But I tried my hand at high-speed sanding today on one of the pieces of petrified wood I got at Cota's Rock Castle. I also used my ultrasonic to get the grit and stuff and dirt out of the crystals that were in this piece. You can see all the crystals. There we go. Nice quartz crystals. And more quartz crystals. And even more sparkly quartz crystals running through cracks in this piece. And despite not getting all the scratches out, it did come up to a reasonable polish all the way across the piece. So there are some zones that would not polish. Those zones just would not take a polish no matter what I did. But this was polished with cerium oxide, and it is just sparkly on some of the surfaces. Just druzy crystals. It's got a ground flat base on it, but crystals everywhere, just beautiful, sparkly crystals. And since this is my first attempt at high-speed sanding, I will be... Hello. Blurriness. I will be keeping this for myself, but later on I will probably be getting either a high-speed sander for myself or getting equipment to wet sand the rest of the petrified wood. Having to switch my grip up every once in a while to show off these crystals, but they are just it's just gorgeous. Only having one hand free limits you what you can do. But yeah, came out pretty good for my first attempt. And the only thing I can do now is try again and just keep trying and get better at the technique and develop better methods and just keep going with it. So I figured I'd give a show off of what I got done today. The final countdown is on until my new cabbing equipment arrives. It is still showing up as coming in on Wednesday. So there we go. So this has been my end of the day check-in. My pup wants to play before I go to bed, so I'll go do that now. Have a good rest of the night, everybody, and take care, and rock on.